Morning, we're November 5th, and this is a quick market update in the morning here in Asia. What's on everybody's mind, and definitely my mind, is the US election. So yesterday I mentioned that it would take a long time to get a clear winner. It seems that I was both right and wrong. It's not going to happen today, it definitely didn't happen yesterday, but we already have a pretty good idea of how it's going. Right now Biden is leading with the Electoral College vote 248 versus Trump at 218. There are still some key states that are undecided, and they can shift the balance one way or the other pretty drastically. In the meantime, Trump is already starting legal procedures to recount votes in Wisconsin and Michigan, if I'm not mistaken, to stop counting tallies in the undecided states because he's leading at this point in time, and he's also made a series of speeches discrediting essentially mail-in votes, unsurprisingly. But so it's going to be a very interesting time to look at and to report on. In terms of market moves, we're up. So the S&P is up 2.2%, the Nasdaq is up 4%, Treasuries were also bought en masse, so that means the 10-year yield is down at 0.77%. Gold retreated slightly, but essentially closing flat at 1,905 the last time I checked. And then the dollar is losing versus its peers. So a very interesting dynamic. It seems that investors are just very risk on at this point in time, and we're expecting that sentiment to drive Asian equities this morning up as well. In the crypto market, the market that never sleeps, that's trading 24/7, we've already had kind of a wild swing with Bitcoin, which dropped down and then went back up to 14,250, which is a multi-year high. We've now retraced slightly in, so we're closing 0.5% up, which is not that exciting, but still bullish in a continuation of a very nice bullish run. Ethereum is up 3.6%, so today it's outperforming Bitcoin. Most of the other alts, though, are essentially flat or down. I'm thinking of all the big names you could think of: Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Cardano, Tezos. Some, of course, are down. Maybe Link, Dot, Zcash, and Neo. Anyway, I'll let you look at the chart on that front. In terms of more fundamental news, three interesting things. One, we got a US Senate win, I think by Cynthia Lummis, who's a Bitcoiner, so that's always positive to know that we have someone fighting for the crypto space in US politics. Second thing that was interesting yesterday, we saw a big transaction, like $1 billion worth, US dollar worth transaction from the fourth largest Bitcoin wallet, which hadn't moved since 2015, and so for a long time, hackers were actually trying to get in the wallet, unsuccessfully of course, and yesterday it made that big transaction, so it'd be interesting to see how it moves the market, if at all. And then the third thing I want to close off with is you can see the leverage ratio on Binance futures rising pretty dramatically, and of course that means probably a lot of the retail traders, but maybe some of the bigger players as well, are really leveraging to benefit from the price moves. That's of course a good thing, and it's pushing prices up. That being said, it has a cost. If markets reverse, or if maybe a big player sees that and decides to smash down prices, it could have some very, very dramatic effect and really increase volatility. So just something to keep in mind for you when you're trading. That's it for me today. Have a great day and a great trading day.